Hello, today I will show you how to make last 2 rounds of a blooming joy blanket. So slip knot and let's start. This is our round 95 and we need to start our round 95 in last chain 1 space of the side. So this is our corner chain 2 space and last chain 1 space is this one, so standing popcorn in this chain 1 space, so standing double crochet and 4 more double crochet, 4 more, so 5 double crochet in total. Remove your hook, insert into standing double crochet into dropped loop, pull through and chain 1 to close popcorn. This chain 1 counts as a part of this popcorn. And now the repeat for this round is corner part, chain 3 in chain 2 space popcorn, so popcorn, 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, remove your hook, insert into first double crochet into dropped loop, pull through and chain 1 to close popcorn, chain 3 and double skip next stitch and popcorn in first chain 1 space of a side, so 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, remove your hook, insert into first into dropped loop, pull through and chain 1 to close popcorn. Okay, this is corner part, and now for the side part the same repeat, chain 3, skip single crochet, chain 1 single crochet and in next chain 1 space popcorn, so 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, remove your hook, insert into first into dropped loop, pull through and chain 1 to close popcorn. So, and you need to continue this short side repeat until your last double crochet will fall in last chain 1 space of the side just before corner chain 2 space, so in this one. Okay, so one more time, short. In fact, this round is identical to our round 52, I believe. Not sure about round number, but identical to this one. So, okay, chain 3, skip single crochet, chain 1 single crochet and popcorn in next chain 1 space, 2 3 4 5 double crochet, remove your hook, insert the first into dropped loop, pull through and chain 1 to close popcorn. Okay, continue, and I will join you at the end of this side to show how this side looks like at the end of this repeat. Okay, I am at the end of my side, and this is popcorn in last chain 1 space of the side, like this. And once all popcorns are done, here is how it looks like. Okay, so this is your repeat for this round, and let's do corner part one more time. So chain 3 in chain 2 space popcorn, 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, remove your hook, insert and chain 1 to close popcorn, and 1 2 3 chain 3 and popcorn in next chain 1 space, so in first chain 1 space of the side, skipping single crochet in between, like this. And now the same, repeat 1 2 3, chain 3, skip single crochet, 1 single crochet, and in next single crochet popcorn, 4 5 double crochet and popcorn. Okay, so continue around and I will join you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round and last popcorn. 2 3 4 5 double crochet, chain 1, and now 1 2 3, chain 3, and now I need to join to my standing popcorn with a slip stitch, chain 1, and cut yarn, because next round will be in different color. So this is round 95 and it is done. Let's do round 96, and this is the last round of this blanket. So next color, slip knot, and let's start. We need to start with a standing front post single crochet made in round popcorn, made in last chain 1 space of the side. This is corner popcorn, it is made in chain 2 space, and this popcorn is last popcorn of the side made in chain 1 space. So front post standing, front post single crochet around this popcorn, like this. This is the same popcorn we started our round. Okay, and now corner part. So we repeat for this round and corner part. In chain 3 space, half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and half double crochet. So 9 stitches in total. Front post single crochet around next popcorn. In next chain 3 space, half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 double crochet, and 1 more half double crochet. So 9 stitches in total. And front post single crochet around next popcorn. So this is your corner part. This is your corner popcorn, and on both sides you have 9 stitches in total made in chain 3 space. And now we repeat for the side part. In chain 3 space, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, and 1 more half double crochet. So 5 stitches in total, and front post single crochet around next popcorn. So like this. So half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 3, and half double crochet. So 5 stitches in total in chain 3 space and front post single crochet around next popcorn. So like this. And you need to continue until your last front post single crochet will be made around last popcorn made in chain 1 space. This corner popcorn, it is made in chain 2 space, and this last popcorn made in chain 1 space. So I will do these shells along the side and will join you to show how this side looks like. Okay, I am at the end of my side, and this is last chain one space before popcorn made in last chain one space. So chain 3 space last, and last popcorn made in chain one space, and side looks like this. Oh, okay, so this is your repeat for this round, and you need to do it 3 more times. Let's do corner part one more time. So the next popcorn is your corner popcorn. So in chain 3 space before it, we do half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1 2 oops, 2 3 4 5 6 7 double crochet and one more half double crochet, 9 stitches in total. Front post single crochet round popcorn corner 1, and in next chain 3 space half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and one more half double crochet, and front post single crochet around next popcorn. So on both sides of your corner popcorn you need to do 9 stitches in total in chain 3 space, and then in chain 3 space half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 and one more half double crochet, and front post and front post single crochet around next popcorn. So like this. So corner looks like this. Okay, so continue around, and I will join you at the end of this round to show you how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Half double crochet, last front post single crochet, and last chain 3 space. So half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 and one more half double crochet. And now I need to join to my standing front post single crochet with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut yarn. And our blanket is done. Still need to hide over ends, but the blanket is done. If at this point you think your blanket is too small and you want to make it bigger, you can go up to this round. As you can see, we have popcorns and shells exactly the same like here at the end of our blanket, and repeat all these rounds one more time. So your blanket will be huge. Okay, it is not possible to fit the blanket into the video now. I will add some images at the end, but our blanket is done. Okay, so I hope you loved this pattern, and I hope you will join my Facebook group, the crochet patterns, and share your work. Okay, see you in the next videos. Bye.